Come on. Hello, my name's Charles Sweeney. I'm the old man behind the Swagman Sprayer. I've been in the industry, horticultural and nursery industry, for over 47 years. I've met a lot of guys in the industry and they say, Charlie, why don't you make a decent sprayer? So I've done it. We've made the Swagman Sprayer without the wheels and the Swagman Sprayer with the wheels. They're a battery operated unit. They'll last 5 or 6 hours on one charge. You can spray about 400 litres of fertiliser, etc. in one day. I've got guys telling me that they've saved up to 70% their labour costs. It's really made a difference to their industry, and I'm very proud of that. And I'll tell you more about the features of both models later on. I'm going to show you what is in the box. Firstly, you have a Swagman Sprayer manual, fully detailed with what you should do and shouldn't do with a sprayer. You have the wand. It's a stainless steel wand. On the end of the stainless steel wand, there should be, or there is, a O-ring at each end and those ferrules. I'll show you what to do with those. You take the main filter piece out of the top, you reach in, and everything should be in here. There's your hose. On the end of the hose is your handpiece. Then you have another package which has all your parts, or the parts for the pump, and lastly, not least, the battery charger. Now, on the back of the sprayer, you have the back piece, which is designed to give you plenty of clearance between the sprayer. You don't get all sweaty. You have another little attachment which comes in the bag. You pop that in the little groove there. It takes a bit of getting down there sometimes. Pop that there, and then you take the wand and you can just push the wand in there. Now I want to tell you about the quality of this unit. The plastic is the best you can get. It's UV resistant, it's high impact, European standard. All the componentry is of the highest quality that we can get. All the screws, the little screws inside, even the screws that hold the thing together, are stainless steel. The wand is also stainless steel. So this unit's going to last you for a good length of time. The battery in this fabulous Swagman sprayer is a 12 volt DC, 9 amp hour motorcycle battery. It's a sealed, fully sealed lead acid battery. You know, if it gets tipped over, nobody's going to get hurt. The battery will give 5 to 6 hours of spraying. In other words, it will spray up to 400 litres of water. It comes with electronics in it, which tell you when it's charged and not charged. The pump in this unit is a 12 volt DC, high quality pump. It's held in very strongly. There are 4 stainless steel screws. You can see the mountings just there at the base. Everything is stainless steel. Now, this pump puts out 80 pounds a square inch. I'll show you what it looks like. It puts through around 2.7 to 3 litres of liquid per minute. Now, the difference between my pumps and the other pumps that are on the market is that I am using a micro switch to control the pressure when you press the handpiece. The micro switch is fully sealed. There is no way that it's going to corrode. Others on the market have a little relay switch and they corrode. Once that happens, you throw the whole motor away. I carry all the spare parts in stock, so if you do happen to be unlucky and have a problem, I can fix it immediately. The other thing I want to show you is that my wiring is so different than all the others. My wiring is designed very much like an automotive. You can replace everything. In other words, if a module plays up or becomes defect, you can actually unplug it, and I can send you a new component. You can put it back together. If you need the battery replaced, you just unplug it here. All the others are solid soldered wired, and it's a damn nuisance, whereas here, everything, all the components, the electrical module, the control module, the wiring indicators, everything is clipped together just like that. So it's so much simpler and easier for you to maintain your own unit. With the Swagman sprayer, you get 5 nozzles. You get the broad fogging sprayer, which is really good on a hot day for the kids. They love this one. Then you get the wide angle single format sprayer. You get the general sort of 4-stream type things, and then you get the conical sprayers. Now, when you use the conical sprayers, you should only use the low pressure side of the system. there's a toggle switch here. When on the 2, when you push it that way, that's full pressure, 80 psi, boom. But when you press the other side where the 1 stroke is, you get the pump is running slowly. It's not putting out as much pressure. So it's actually controlling the pressure, and the output you can increase by turning that little rheostat. You can hear it getting faster. So as it gets faster, you get more pressure, more volume. Well, that ends my little story about my Swagman sprayers. So if there's anything else you want to know, have a look at the website or give us a ring. Come on, Poppy. I think it's time we had a game, eh? Here we go.